Hello and welcome back to my RC channel. I'm Andy RC and today I'm going to be picking two winners of the Eachine Tyro79. Now I know it's an unusual way to do a giveaway. You had to like a Facebook page and then take a screenshot of it and then save it to your computer, but I would rather give the opportunity of two free copters than not. So if you were willing to do all of those things, then that is fantastic, and if not, well, you have just given more people the chance to win, so that is fine. So I'm going to copy the URL and then we are going to paste it into the random comment pick. I'm going to filter out duplicate users because what sometimes happens is people spam the comments to give themselves more opportunities to win. So let's get the YouTube comments. Should be around about 875. Yeah. Now, not all of those were comments saying that they were entering the competition. A lot of them were comments saying that they were not entering the competition. So it might take a few goes to pick some winners. So good luck to everybody, and it's gonna pick some winners hopefully. So we've got a winner here. It says Johnny KLM. I probably won't win, but I'm in. Well, guess what, Johnny KLM? You have won. And if you leave your email address in the below of this video, then I will email you and I can get the screen grab off you, send it to Eachine, confirm it, and then you have got a free Tyro79. So let's pick another winner. So it's going through some more names here. It says thanks Andy, some awesome give backs, fingers crossed. Jeremy Marano, I hope I'm saying that right. Marano, congratulations to both of you again, Jeremy. If you put your email address in the comment section of this video, then I will email you and send over your screenshot to me. Then you will get your Tyro79. So there you go. Thank you to everybody who participated in the competition, and hopefully there will be more to come. I've got the Star-Lord competition still going. So as always, thanks so much for watching. Please continue to subscribe. Cheers.